Desert farming may seem impossible at first glance, yet for centuries, date palms have in that life not only survives here, it thrives. In the vast, sun-scorched landscapes of the United States, where rainfall is scarce and temperatures soar, date farming has become a remarkable blend of ancient agricultural wisdom and modern precision. This journey begins long before a single date is harvested, rooted in careful planning, patience, and an intimate understanding of the desert environment. Date palms are not planted casually. Farmers begin by selecting land with specific characteristics: deep, well-drained soil, access to underground water sources, and uninterrupted exposure to sunlight. Unlike many crops, date palms demand intense heat to produce high-quality fruit. The hotter and drier the climate, the better the dates develop their signature sweetness and dense texture. Once planted, these palms are a long-term investment. They can take 4 to 8 years for producing fruit, and even then, full productivity arrives only with maturity. But once established, a single palm can continue producing dates for decades. Water management is one of the most critical challenges in desert date farming. Despite growing in arid regions, date palms require consistent hydration. Farmers rely on precisely controlled irrigation systems, often using drip irrigation that delivers water directly to the root zone. This method minimizes evaporation, conserves water, and ensures the palm receives exactly what it needs. Too much water can weaken the tree and dilute the fruit's flavor, while too little can stunt growth or reduce yields. Every drop is measured, monitored, and adjusted according to seasonal conditions. As spring approaches, the date palms enter one of the most delicate and labor-intensive phases of their life cycle: pollination. Unlike many fruit trees that rely on wind or insects, date palms require manual pollination to achieve reliable yields. Male and female trees are grown separately, and pollen must be transferred by hand. Skilled workers climb the towering palms, sometimes reaching heights of over 50 feet, carrying pollen collected from male flowers. With practiced movements, they carefully place the pollen into the female blossoms, ensuring fertilization. This process is as much an art as it is a science. The timing must be perfect, as flowers are receptive only for a short window. Improper pollination can result in poor fruit set, smaller dates, or uneven clusters. Experienced workers understand the subtle cues of the palm, knowing exactly when conditions are right. This step alone defines much of the final crop's quality, making human expertise irreplaceable in modern date farming. Once pollination is complete, the slow transformation of the fruit begins. Over the following months, dates develop through distinct stages of ripening. Initially small and green, the fruit gradually increases in size and changes color. As summer heat intensifies, the dates move into a yellow stage, then amber, and finally deep brown. Each phase brings changes in sugar concentration, moisture content, and texture. Farmers closely observe this progression, understanding that harvest timing is everything. The desert climate plays a powerful role during ripening. High daytime temperatures accelerate sugar development, while cooler nights help preserve balance and structure within the fruit. However, extreme weather events, sudden heat waves, unexpected rain, or strong winds can threaten the crop. To protect the developing dates, farmers often thin clusters to improve airflow and prevent mold, and sometimes cover them with breathable protective bags to shield against pests and dust. As harvest season approaches, the farms become centers of focused activity. Unlike many modern crops that rely heavily on machinery, date harvesting remains a largely manual process. This is not due to a lack of technology, but rather the delicate nature of fruit and the height at which it grows. Mechanical harvesting risks bruising the dates or damaging the palms, which can affect future yields. Harvesting begins with trained workers climbing the palms once again. Using sharp tools, they cut entire clusters of ripe dates, some weighing over 40 pounds. These clusters are then carefully lowered to the ground using ropes, ensuring the fruit never hits the soil. Even a small impact can damage the thin skin, reducing shelf life and quality. This gentle handling preserves the natural integrity of the dates, keeping them plump, glossy, and intact. Each cluster is visually inspected immediately after harvesting. Overripe or damaged fruit is removed on site, preventing it from contaminating the rest of the batch. The remaining dates are placed into ventilated crates that allow airflow while protecting the fruit during transport. Speed is essential at this stage. Freshly harvested dates retain heat from the sun, and prolonged exposure can accelerate spoilage. For this reason, farms are often located close to processing facilities, allowing dates to move from tree to factory within hours. Beyond the physical labor, There is deep agricultural knowledge guiding every decision. Farmers track seasonal patterns, soil conditions, and palm health year after year. They understand that date farming is not about maximizing short-term yield, but about sustaining long-term productivity. A stressed palm may produce more fruit one year but suffer reduced output in the next. Balance is key. Another crucial aspect of desert date farming is palm maintenance. Throughout the year, workers prune excess fronds to improve sunlight penetration and airflow. Old or damaged leaves are removed to reduce pest habitats and prevent disease. The trunks are inspected for signs of stress or infestation, and nutrients are supplemented as needed. This constant care ensures the palms remain strong, stable, and productive for generations. What makes this process truly remarkable is how little it has changed over time. While irrigation systems, transport logistics, and monitoring tools have improved, the core principles remain ancient. Manual pollination, hand harvesting, and visuection are practices passed down through generations, refined but never replaced. In an era of automation, date farming stands as a reminder that some processes still depend on human skill and intuition. By the time the dates leave the farm, they already represent months of careful labor and decision-making. Every date carries an imprint of its environment: the heat of the desert sun, the precision of irrigation, the timing of pollination, and the gentleness of harvest. This foundation determines everything that follows in the factory. No amount of technology can improve a date that was poorly grown or harvested too late. This is why desert farming and precision harvesting form the backbone of the entire date production process. Before sorting machines, packaging lines, and distribution networks ever come into play, quality is defined in the fields. The factory refines and preserves what the farm has already perfected. In the end, the journey of a date is a story of patience. It is a story of waiting years for palms to mature, of watching fruit change slowly under the sun, and of choosing the exact right moment to harvest. It is a testament to how nature and human expertise can work together in even the harshest environments. And it all begins here, in the desert, where every date starts its journey from farm to factory. Once freshly harvested dates arrive at the processing facility, a completely different kind of precision takes over. This is where tradition gives way to technology, and where the quality created in the desert fields is carefully preserved, refined, and standardized. Inside a modern USA date factory, every movement, every machine, and every decision is designed to protect the fruit while preparing it for global distribution. The process begins at the receiving area, where truckloads of dates arrive directly from nearby farms. Speed is essential. Dates retain warmth from the desert sun, and prolonged exposure can affect texture and shelf life. As crates are unloaded, the factory floor comes alive with motion. Conveyor belts hum steadily, workers move with practiced efficiency, and the air is clean, cool, and carefully controlled. The first stage is initial inspection. Even though the dates were sorted at the farm, the factory conducts its own quality screening. Trained workers visually inspect the incoming fruit, looking for signs of damage, over-ripeness, insect intrusion, or contamination. Any fruit that fails to meet standards is immediately removed. This early filtration step ensures that only high-quality dates proceed further into the system, protecting the integrity of the entire batch. From inspection, the dates move into industrial washing systems designed specifically for delicate fruit. These systems use purified water and gentle agitation to remove dust, sand, and natural residue collected during growth and harvest. Desert-grown dates often carry fine particles that cling tightly to their skins, making thorough washing essential. Unlike harsh industrial cleaning, this process is carefully calibrated to avoid breaking the skin or altering texture. After washing, excess surface moisture must be removed. Dates are transferred into controlled drying tunnels, where airflow and humidity are precisely regulated. This is not about fully drying the fruit, but about stabilizing it. Removing surface moisture prevents microbial growth while preserving the soft, chewy interior that dates are known for. Operators monitor this stage closely, adjusting conditions based on date variety and ripeness level. Next comes one of the most technologically advanced stages in the entire facility: optical sorting. As dates travel along high-speed conveyor belts, they pass under powerful cameras and sensors capable of scanning thousands of fruits per minute. These systems analyze size, shape, color, and surface imperfections with incredible accuracy. Even subtle variations invisible to the human eye are detected instantly. Using compressed air jets and mechanical diverters, the system separates dates into different quality grades. Premium, visually perfect dates are routed toward whole fruit packaging, while slightly smaller or irregular ones are designated for chopping, paste production, or industrial use. This automated precision ensures consistency across every package while minimizing waste. Once sorted, many dates move to the pitting stage. Removing pits by hand would be slow and inconsistent, so modern factories rely on highly specialized machines. These pitting systems gently open each date, extract the pit, and release the fruit back onto the conveyor without tearing or crushing it. The machines are carefully calibrated to handle different date varieties, each with unique size and firmness characteristics. The removed pits are not discarded. Instead, they are collected and repurposed for a variety of uses, including animal feed, compost, and even cosmetic or industrial applications. This reflects the factory's commitment to sustainability and full utilization of raw materials. Very little goes to waste in a well-run date processing facility. From here, the production line splits depending on the final product. Some dates remain whole and intact, destined for retail packaging. Others are sent to cutting stations, where they are sliced into uniform pieces for use in baking, snack bars, and cereal products. Precision cutting ensures consistent size and weight, which is critical for food manufacturers that rely on exact measurements. Another portion of the dates enters paste production. These dates are softened, ground, and blended into a thick, rich puree. Date paste has become increasingly popular as a natural sweetener, replacing refined sugar in many products. The grinding process is carefully controlled to produce a smooth texture without overheating, which could alter flavor or nutritional content. Throughout these processing stages, quality control remains constant. Technicians regularly collect samples from each batch, testing for moisture content, texture, taste, and cleanliness. This is where science meets sensory evaluation. Instruments measure precise parameters, while trained staff assess aroma, chewiness, and sweetness. Any deviation from standards triggers immediate adjustments or batch removal. Food safety is paramount. The factory operates under strict hygiene protocols, with sanitized equipment, filtered air systems, and temperature-controlled environments. Workers wear protective clothing, gloves, and hair coverings. Every surface that comes into contact with the dates is routinely cleaned and inspected. These measures ensure that the final product is not only delicious but safe for consumers worldwide. Packaging marks the final transformation of the dates. Automated systems weigh precise portions before placing them into containers. Depending on the product, packaging methods may include vacuum sealing, modified atmosphere packaging, or resealable containers. Each method serves a purpose. Vacuum sealing extends shelf life, modified atmospheres preserve freshness, and resealable packaging offers convenience for consumers. Labels are applied with meticulous accuracy. They include nutritional information, origin details, batch numbers, and expiration dates. Traceability codes allow every package to be tracked back through the factory, and even to the farm where the dates were grown. This transparency is essential for quality assurance and rapid response in the unlikely event of a recall. Once sealed and labeled, the packages move into the final logistics stage. Robotic arms and automated systems stack boxes onto pallets with precision, minimizing handling damage. Forklifts transport pallets into vast warehouse areas, where temperature and humidity are controlled. From here, the dates are ready for distribution. Trucks depart the facility carrying thousands of packages, destined for grocery stores, bakeries, restaurants, and food manufacturers across the country and around the world. What began as a fruit ripening quietly under the desert sun has now become a standardized shelf-ready product meeting international food standards. What makes this stage remarkable is not just the technology, but how seamlessly it integrates with traditional farming practices. The factory does not replace the farm's craftsmanship, it protects it. Every machine sensor and system is designed to preserve the natural qualities developed in the fields. In a world where consumers demand transparency, quality, and sustainability, modern date factories serve as the bridge between ancient agriculture and contemporary expectations. They ensure that dates remain natural and minimally processed while still meeting the demands of mass distribution. By the time a package of dates reaches a store shelf, it has passed through countless checks, systems, and skilled hands. Each step reflects a commitment to excellence, from washing and sorting to pitting, packaging, and shipping. This is the unseen journey that transforms a simple desert fruit into a trusted, globally enjoyed food product. Ultimately, high-tech factory processing is not about changing the date, but about honoring it. It ensures